Planet Report for July 2026. Space. SpaceX launched Transporter 17 from Vandenberg on July 7th, deploying 81 payloads including Axelspace 7 GRUS-3 Earth observation microsatellites that transmitted first signals. Northrop Grumman's mission robotic vehicle launched on Falcon 9 around July 21st. Multiple Starlink missions flew from California and Florida. Starship Flight 13 was attempted later in the month after an earlier abort. Oceans. A marine heat wave covering approximately 13.5% of Earth's surface stretched from the Philippines to Peru in early July. Scientists published the first comprehensive global map of seagrass meadows created with satellite imagery and machine learning. Florida researchers moved endangered elkhorn coral into shore-based facilities for protection. Large-scale oyster reef restoration advanced in the Netherlands. Rainforests. Amazon canopy bridges recorded more than 15,000 wildlife crossings with zero roadkill in monitored sections. Research estimated that ending the Amazon soy moratorium could cause 1.4 million hectares of additional deforestation over the next decade. Peru, Norway, Germany, and the UK signed a joint declaration of intent covering 2026 to 2030 to reduce Amazon deforestation in Peru. Wildlife and rewilding. Cheetahs were reintroduced to Zambia's Greater Luangwa ecosystem. African wild dogs were recorded in a Malawi national park for the first time in more than 10 years. Cinereous vulture chicks hatched in Bulgaria's Rhodope Mountains for the first time in over 30 years. Conservationists bred and released 300 near-extinct snails into the wild. Satellite imagery tracked Adelie penguin diets on Antarctica's Danger Islands by analyzing guano color. Geological events. Following the June 24 Venezuela earthquakes, the official death toll rose to 3,811 by early July and reached 5,208 later in the month, with 16,740 injured, more than 6,400 people rescued and nearly 18,000 left homeless. More than 1,100 aftershocks were recorded. A magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck off southern Mexico near Puerto Madero on July 17th. Kilauea's summit produced lava fontaining episode 52 on 28 to 29 July, lasting 7.5 hours with fountains up to 150 m high and an estimated 4.7 million cubic meters of lava. A magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck Japan's Kumamoto region on July 28th. Weather. Atlantic City, New Jersey, reached 41 degrees Celsius on the 4th of July, setting a new all-time record. Washington, D.C. recorded 39 degrees Celsius on the 4th of July, a new daily record. France recorded temperatures up to 43.8 degrees Celsius during the early July heat wave. Super Typhoon Bavi hit Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands with sustained winds of 290 km per hour. The Sormoz wildfire in France's Gironde region burned tens of thousands of hectares. England recorded just 5.6 to 6.5 millimeters of rain in July, 8 to 10% of the long-term average. Its driest July since records began in 1836 and well below the previous record of 13.4 millimeters set in 1911. For more monthly planet reports, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.